Static electricity is an invisible phenomenon that can create a spark of electricity. It is generated when two surfaces come into contact and then separate, and it can be caused by a variety of materials and conditions. The most common cause of static electricity is friction, but it can also be generated by heat, light, and even electricity itself. When a charged material is brought near a neutral object, the charges on the material will induce charges on the surface of the neutral object. The charges on the surface of the neutral object will be of the same type as the charges on the material. If the material is charged with positive charges, the induced charges on the surface of the neutral object will also be positive. If the material is charged with negative charges, the induced charges on the surface of the neutral object will also be negative. Charged objects will be attracted to or repelled from other charged objects, depending on the type of charge. Like charges will repel each other, while opposite charges will attract each other. The force of attraction or repulsion between two charged objects is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charge on each object. The ground is a conducting material that is in contact with the earth. When an object is charged, the charge can be dissipated by connecting the object to the ground. The ground provides a pathway for the charge to flow into the earth, where it is dissipated. Static electricity is a relatively common phenomenon, but it can be dangerous in certain situations. For example, if static electricity builds up on a person's body, it can discharge into nearby objects, causing a shock. This is why it is important to discharge static electricity before working with sensitive electronic equipment. For more about this topic and access to virtual simulation, I have left an access link in the description box. If you enjoyed the content of this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also share and like. Enjoy the rest of the simulation.
Moving on in.